This is a fit for a 2019 and beyond Subaru Ascent with the factory raised side rails with factory crossbars. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Motion XT XL 18 cubic foot box. This box measures 84.5 inches in length, 36 inches wide, and 17 inches high. It sits 16 inches above the crossbars. There is no interference with the fully opened rear hatch and no contact with the rear antenna. Overall proportions are excellent for this vehicle. This is a dual-sided opening box accessible from both the passenger and driver side. The locks are installed and included. It connects to the factory crossbars with included mounting hardware, accessed only from the inside of the cargo box for security. The box weighs in at 46 pounds and has a maximum weight capacity of 165 pounds. It can accommodate skis measuring up to 200 centimeters in length. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for all your buying options and promotions.